Well, smart listener, everyone has their own daily activity, and yes, it can always repeat every day. And maybe we can, how to say, we can have a variety of activity every day. So, who from all of you guys who always arrange their activity or their schedule a week before or a day before? Who's here doing that every day? Or yes, that's one of your routine to make a schedule, to make a plan for your activity. Who? No one?
Not no one.
Yeah.
Oh, Richard.
Richard?
Yeah, I always arrange my daily activity one day before because I don't know what happened tomorrow. You
Mhm.
don't know about the weather. You need to predict the weather first because maybe sometimes I arrange my activity like
Mhm.
1 hour before. Like if I see the weather is clean, so I will decide to work out. I mean, have a outdoor workout. If the weather is bad, yeah, we need to avoid. I mean, we need to prevent. The preventive. We need to prevent it before
Mhm.
happen. Yeah,
Mhm.
like prepare the umbrella before rain.
Mhm. Mhm.
Or rainy coat, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if
So.
sometimes everyone bore will bore about their activity, but we need to discipline. Yeah,
Mhm.
we need to
Mhm.
discipline for do this activity because discipline make your mental feel like better. Like if you can be disciplined, you will get what you want. Like there's many successful people right now
Mhm.
have a disciplined daily activity, so
Mhm.
they always focus on their activity. Like they always wake up for 5
Mhm.
a.m.
Mhm. Mhm.
to like for prayer or do some activity in the morning. Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
need to be disciplined too. Yeah.
So, are the activities that you have planned before always run smoothly, or yeah, in maybe in the middle of the way you can change the plan, or yeah, everything runs smoothly.
Yeah, some, but I mean most of my activity always runs smoothly. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because I always prepare 1 day before or 1 hour before.
Mm-hmm.
So I always do my activity clearly, like smoothly, and there's no any annoying for my activities.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I'm employment right now.
Okay. So another one maybe who have ever Mr. Richel maybe.
Yes, for me, I'm also scheduling my day usually
Mm-hmm.
one day before when I want to go to sleep. I'm
Mm-hmm.
usually making a list what I will do for tomorrow. I'm also will contacting every person that I have a meeting with
Making a
or
to-do list, yeah.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit quiet. So I'm also will contacting a person that I will meeting. For example, for my research, I need to contact some people. So I
Mm-hmm.
need to, making arrange meeting times and schedule. Yeah, usually it's always at night.
Okay, so uh, how you solve, or how do you deal with the unplanned activity? Maybe that's happened, or that's coming urgently, suddenly, and you have to do it at the same time. You have another activity too.
Exactly. Yeah, it's actually a nightmare, especially if you are a freelancer,
Mm-hmm.
because you need to. As I'm a freelancer in writing,
Mm-hmm.
so usually I'm writing, and suddenly you get a call from
Mm-hmm.
other people say, can you submit the job today? And the deadline is tomorrow,
Oh.
sir. Thank you, but we can say no because we're working. So yeah, sometimes it's will I'm usually talk to the person if
Mm-hmm.
it's like schedule meeting or a job. I'm usually just calling them, say sorry,
Mm-hmm.
rearrange the time. Maybe I will come a little bit late, or just say no, or maybe just canceling it if it's
Mm-hmm.
your jobs
Mm-hmm.
or a meeting schedule. But if it's like something that really really urgent, then I will just prioritize to the
Mm-hmm.
activity that really really need me. and then I will go to the another activity, maybe a little bit late. As long as I attend there.
Yeah. So we have to pick one of the of the urgent and very important
one.
activity,
Yes.
right? Guys, this is the fun fact. I ever how to say, I don't attend any meeting. I have two meetings at the same time that I have to attend, but because I confuse which one do I choose, which one do I have to go, yeah. So I not I absent. I not attend. I don't how to say. Yeah, both of
Both of the
that
meeting.
meeting, I just sleep in my house. So I send my sorry by the text message to the people. So because I'm confused, I don't know, I can't choose, yeah. So and that's happen, how to say, accidentally, yeah. So suddenly the person called me, hey, you have to go, can you coming to this place, and another so at the same time also another person called me. So yeah, I'm confused, and then I didn't choose one of them. So I just sleep in my house. So maybe another story from you guys.
All right.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Isan.
I will explain a little bit with in police war in my task.
Uh-huh.
All right. So everything, the tasks that we deliver for are well organized. So just like 1 week before, let's say that there is operation target
Mhm.
that we should to catch them uh, on the maritime
Mhm.
or on the island or
Mhm.
stuff like that. So our leader will determine who the member will conduct the operation,
Mm.
and then we preparing all of the stuff
Mhm.
that we need, like ship,
Mhm.
and arm gun,
Mhm,
and yeah, related to our uniform,
Mhm.
and then go to the crime scene and catch the perpetrator
Mhm.
and escorting them to our base
Mhm.
and follow up their case.
Mhm.
So, in my conclusion, that we usually do our task
Mhm.
well organized.
Mhm. Okay. Well, another story, baby,
Uh,
Mr. Woody.
Actually, I'm not really scheduling my list because I got this habit from my last company. I used to
Uh-huh.
work at construction company,
Uh-huh.
and when I work there, uh, I should become more adaptive and be ready
Uh-huh.
at any time because at the time, I got this client. The client wanted me to make some drawing project for his house,
Mhm.
and then at the same time, my boss asked me to bring some documents to some
Mhm.
company. So at the time, I was really blank.
Mm.
Which one do I have to
Do it first.
do first? Because I don't want to disappoint I don't want to disappoint the client, and I don't want to disappoint my boss. So
Mhm.
at the time, I just sit back and think for a minute.
Mhm.
So I think which one is the urgent one.
Mhm.
So I asked the client that, can I bring this document to for a minute,
Mhm.
and then after I bring the document, I come back and finishing the design. So it kind of makes me I realize that when you work at some company, you have to be more adaptive.
Mhm.
And you have to be more ready
Mhm.
in whatever situation because you don't know what the task or what your employee will ask you to do. So, yeah, I think in this, maybe not just, I think it happens in every company.
Mhm.
You have to be, for me, I think you have to be more adaptive and be ready.
Yeah.
This thing, for me, I think this habit is kind of really not good for us, for people, because it makes you more spontaneous nih,
Mhm.
and it's not good. The all the companies should should be more care about the the employ
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
Employment.
the employment, because because it can help them to
To grow.
to
Yeah.
grow up.
So as the employee, sometimes we need to we need to be more adaptive
Adaptive.
and take and make a decision quickly,
Yeah, quick.
right? We have to think fast and make a decision, right? Because it how to say, um, because it show uh, the type of what kind of person us,
Yes.
right? So what kind of personal, what kind of employee us. So another story maybe before we take a break from Mrs. Dewi.
Okay.
Sometimes mother make a plan or meal plan.
Yeah. I'm a typical out of the box, yeah. So only for some case that I could be a very disciplined person, especially because I love traveling so badly, and that's why I'm so excited when I want to go for traveling, and I could be preparing it anything and organize it well. But when everything is normal, I mean, I have no any plan about to go traveling, like making some appointment to a person or my friends, and they cancel it or postpone it to other days. I can chill with the situation. I can make a every time that happened to me, like accident things that I'm not, I cannot meet my friends or someone that I want to meet for today or tomorrow, then I can stay chills and say, okay, that's not your that's I don't say that it's my bad day, yeah, but I say that that's not your day, David.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I put I mean I make lower my expectation to everyone around me, no matter I mean how important they are in my life, yeah. And also include for some things or some promise, not only about how to make how the situation that I make appointment to the friends or to the family, yeah, but also about the some things that I really want or wondering in my life. Maybe like yeah, like today I told Jasmine that do not seeking for the possibility to be the winner or the loser, because actually when I try to talk to Jasmine, it's like I talking to myself. Yeah, I talking to myself that the more I give an advice to my own children, it means that it's more advice to me for myself too. So that's it.
Okay, so one of them is to give a positive affirmation to
Yeah.
ourselves.
Yeah.
When we feel bad and cannot do the plan as we planned before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So well, guys, that's all the topic. That's all the conversation about daily activity. And after the break, we will be back with another vocabularies and also idioms to share for you.